Ready? Alright. So here we've got a bunch of vine bushes. Blackberry bushes. Himalayan blackberry bushes. And the first thing we want to do to get rid of them is we want to find the source of where it's all going to. Here, for example, got this one right here. We want to follow its trail all the way down. Right here, got the root of it all. Next thing you want to do is kind of clear it out a little bit. Here we've got a lot of roots going on. Next thing we want to do, we want to start shoveling around it. Not at the root, but around it, and make sure we get right into the source of the root. Want to do that?
Yeah. I'm still at 1-2 buckle my shoe.
So our goal is to kind of dig around the root, make sure we get the whole main part.
I think that's good.
Yeah,
that's going really deep. Okay.
Is it a big one?
Yeah, I mean, I'm going really deep in it. So.
And then we kind of just want to slowly shovel it out. And then from there...
See right here, it's like coming out immediately. So this is like a very small blue one. And then this one has grown. They can also grow to the sides, and they you sometimes won't see them on the side, but they can grow. They're pretty random, so you just want to get down in there. And yeah, so pull that out, and then you got a bunch of dirt covering it. But yeah, here's the blackberry roots.
Awesome, guys.